My name is Nyambura Waruingi. I am the founder and creative director of AKOIA Company. It's a creative enterprise. We really work at the intersection of art and tech. And I stay away from calling it a gaming studio because we look at interactive and immersive media in all its different formats. And that's really important so that we don't just try and create one type of media, one type of experience in terms of how we're telling our stories and different narratives. AKOIA joined the Games for Change Africa family because I believe that games can have social impact, but not in the sense of solving developmental problems that Africa has, but more really engaging with our types of stories, our types of cultural experiences, our everyday life, and that changes the way we think. That makes us imagine radically. It makes us really reshape and reform maybe the assumptions that we've had about things, learning more about, Ivory Coast, learning more about South Africa, just a different way of engagement with the world, which I enjoy, and that is how the impact comes. You have people who are full of themselves, are confident, they are taking charge of their lives, and when it comes to the technology, it means that the technology evolves. And with that, there's a technological impact, right? And when we're doing it ourselves, it also means we shape how we will use the technology. And that's very important. That is also part of, instead of trying to always have the, as I said, developmental bent of including Africa and all of that in development, is here's our path. This is our narrative. This is the way that we want to work. These are the innovations we want to make. And then the innovations are endogenous. And in doing that, then we're creating our own employment. We're creating everything that is necessary for us to, create the futures that we want.